Welcome to our channel. Great travel photography captures memories and tells compelling stories. Step 1. Learn basic photography principles like the rule of thirds and leading lines. Step 2. Wake up early for golden hour light that makes everything look magical. Step 3. Look for unique angles and perspectives rather than standard tourist shots. Step 4. Include people in your photos to add scale and human interest. Step 5. Capture details and close-ups along with wide landscape shots. Step 6. Be patient and wait for the right moment rather than rushing shots. Step 7. Use natural light whenever possible and avoid harsh midday sun. Step 8. Tell stories through photo series that show different aspects of a place. Step 9. Experiment with composition and take multiple shots from various positions. Step 10. Interact with locals and ask permission before photographing people. Step 11. Edit photos to enhance colors and correct exposure while keeping them natural. Step 12. Back up photos regularly to avoid losing precious memories. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.